Why did the senior citizen bring a wig into the bathroom? Because he wanted to brush up on his hair while sitting down. It's the only room with enough seat. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on bathroom for seniors. Tip 1. Install grab bars. These assistive devices are incredibly important for preventing falls in the bathroom. They should be installed in shower areas, near the toilet, and any other area where the senior may need support. They provide a secure grip when standing, sitting, or navigating slippery floors. Tip 2. Use a raised toilet seat. A raised toilet seat can be highly beneficial for seniors who have difficulty sitting or standing. The extra height allows the individual to use the toilet with less strain, thereby reducing the risk of falls and improving overall bathroom safety. Tip 3. Install non-slip mats. Bathrooms, floors and surfaces, especially around the tub and shower, can get very slippery when wet, increasing the risk of falls. Non-slip mats provide traction and stability underfoot, a simple, cost-effective modification that goes a long way in enhancing safety. Tip 4. Opt for a walk-in shower or tub. Walk-in showers or tubs eliminate the need to step over high bathtub walls, which can potentially be dangerous for seniors with poor balance or mobility. They often come equipped with built-in seating and handheld shower heads for added comfort and convenience. Tip 5. Use a shower chair or bench. For seniors who have difficulty standing for long periods, a waterproof chair or bench in the shower can be a lifesaver. They can sit comfortably while showering, reducing fatigue and risk of slipping or falling. Tip 6. Keep the bathroom well lit. Good lighting in the bathroom helps seniors to see clearly, avoiding potential hazards. Consider installing night lights for those middle-of-the-night bathroom trips and ensure that light switches are easily accessible. Tip 7. Organize supplies within reach. Essential items such as toiletries, towels and toilet paper should be at the same height as the person using them. This prevents the need for reaching up or bending down excessively, both of which can lead to loss of balance. Tip 8. Utilize anti-scald devices. It's not uncommon for seniors to have diminished sensitivity to heat, putting them at risk of burns from hot water. Anti-scald devices regulate the water temperature, preventing it from rising above a safe level. Tip 9. Consider a bathroom phone. An emergency phone in the bathroom provides seniors with a way to call for help if they fall or feel unwell. This could be a waterproof device or a cordless phone kept within easy reach. Tip 10. Maintain cleanliness and order. Keeping the bathroom clean and free from clutter decreases the chance of slips and falls. It also promotes hygiene, reducing the risk of infections. Regular cleanup also allows for any necessary repairs or modifications to be spotted and dealt with in a timely manner. Tip 11. Consider hiring a bath aid. If the senior needs assistance with showering or bathing, consider hiring a health aide specializing in these activities. An aide can make bathing safer and easier, helping the senior to maintain their dignity and independence.